Hi, everybody. I wanted to give you a quick rundown about how to navigate my course on Canvas. And I am going to do a quick disclaimer real quick. When you get into my courses and start watching my videos that I'm making, I speak very, very, very quickly. And I try not to. I try to speak slowly, but I get really excited about stuff. And it kind of sometimes comes out in a jumbled mess. If at any point in the videos you have no idea what I'm saying or I'm like flying through stuff or whatever, you can absolutely like come into class next time you see me and be like, hey, Mrs. Stanek, this part of the video, I watched it 5 times and I have no clue what you're saying. That is very likely to happen because I speak very quickly. I'm consciously trying to speak really slowly right now, but I'm sure I'm going to forget and speed up really quick. And I'm going to try not to, but bear with me if I do. So I'm just going to give you a quick rundown of how to navigate my course on Canvas. On your navigation screen right here on the left-hand side, you don't see all of these options that I see because you don't have Teacher View. You'll just see Home, Announcements, Modules, Grades, and People, and that's really all that you need to navigate Canvas. Your home page will bring you here to my course home screen, and there are a few ways that you can access your lessons for the week. You can come up here and click on Modules. That is going to take you the same place as this icon here is going to take you. It's going to give you a list of all of the modules. Now, because this is the first week, there's only 3, well, there's 4 because I did this first one. There's only 3/4 modules listed, so that's not super overwhelming. As we continue through the course, though, I'm going to keep adding modules to this. So there's going to be a lot more to navigate through. So if you get overwhelmed by trying to search through and find which one you need to do, you, instead of clicking modules here and instead of clicking modules here on the home page, if you scroll down a little bit further, I'm always going to have this table here that is updated every week with the assignments for that specific week. And I have a link right here for the exact module that I want you to do for lesson 1. So for lesson 1, we're going to click this guy. It's going to take me right here to my lesson 1 module. Grammar Review, module 1, nouns, pronouns, and adjectives. And if I would go back to my home page, click on my next module, it takes me right to module 2. Now I can scroll up and see that first module and scroll down and see my third module, but it's going to take you to the spot on the screen or on the page that brings up that specific module so that you don't ever have to be confused there. Let's see what else. I'm going to walk you through a module very quickly. So every one that I have, I'm going to have set up the same way. I have the title of the module, and then I'll have it divided into 3 sections: before, during, and after. And if we were in class, the before would be like your bell ringer, your do now, the thing that we do right at the beginning for me to like grab your attention and kind of get you into our topic. That's the before, and it's probably going to always be like a quick write or a quick little quiz or something small to get you thinking. And then the during is the actual lesson that we're going to be completing, the stuff like the meat and potatoes of the day, this real stuff that we're going to get down to doing. And then the after is like our wrap up, our exit slip. It's again going to be a quick little like quick write or a quiz or something just to check your understanding, and then you can move on to the next lesson. And the next one, again, before, during, and after, same setup the whole time. Now, eventually these are going to be a little bit longer because this is just the beginning of the grammar review. After we finish this quick rundown of parts of speech, next week you guys will be moving on to sentence patterns. And I do want to point out one thing. For my class, I'm going to be teaching 2 units at the same time. So the stuff that you're doing online isn't going to depend on the stuff that we're doing in class. We're going to do different stuff in class than we're doing online. So I split it so that the stuff that I can teach you virtually, I have you doing online. I can teach you about parts of speech and sentence structure and stuff virtually. I can't really teach you writing and essay structure and presenting. I can't really teach you that stuff virtually. So that's the stuff that we're going to do in class. We'll study Romeo and Juliet in class. We'll do our novel study in class. But we'll do some more like research stuff and some easier stuff that I think you guys can maybe figure out yourself a little bit better anyway. That will be your online stuff. So we're going to do our grammar stuff all online, and then in class, whenever you guys come in, we'll be doing something different. If that is confusing, if you were confused, I hope I clarified some stuff. I hope that's a little bit easy to understand. But remember, like, I'm well aware that you guys are freshmen. You haven't been in this building yet. Well, you've probably been here, but you haven't been here as a student yet. You haven't been in school since March. Like, I'm going to be patient with you. We're going to figure it out. Please don't get overwhelmed or upset or like anxious or stressed out or whatever, because whenever you're feeling that way, then I'm feeling that way. And I personally don't want to feel that way at the beginning of the year. So let's just kind of pump the brakes on the stress, and we're going to figure it out together. Please, please, please. I know that you're a freshman. I know that you don't want to talk to me, but I can't stress enough. If you are confused, I legit want you. I want you to email or call me. Like, I really, 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 really want to talk to you about whatever you're confused or anxious or whatever about. I don't want you to hold it in. I need to know so that we can fix it and work through it together. If you get lost, I need to know, or else you're going to fall behind, and then all kinds of bad things are going to happen to all of us. So we're all going to keep up. We're going to stay together. And when we're confused, we're all going to ask me questions and not avoid talking to your teachers like freshmen do at the beginning of the year. Okay? Hope that helped.